This AI setup can turn a simple news article into a full blog post and upload it to your website in under 2 minutes. It works while you sleep. It works while you're eating. It works while you're on your third coffee scrolling Twitter. People are already using it to run hands-free websites, building real traffic without ever writing a single sentence. Here's how to build the exact system for yourself, step by step. Step 1. Understand the power of AI automation. The biggest reason people fail with blogging today isn't a lack of motivation or talent. It's time. Writing content takes hours. Add in the time for research, editing, finding the right images, formatting. It becomes a second job. And if you try to outsource it, you're looking at $20 to $100 per post, which adds up fast. But with AI automation, that entire workflow gets crushed. This method uses AI to write full blog articles for you, including image generation, and then automatically posts them to your WordPress site. It's fast, it's scalable, and best of all, it's repeatable. Once it's running, you don't have to touch it again. You feed it news articles, and it turns them into SEO-ready blog posts. Let's take a look at what the final setup actually does so you know what you're building. You paste a news article link into a Google Sheet. That's it. The AI reads the article, rewrites it into original content using ChatGPT, and generates an image using AI based on the topic. Then it formats all of it as a blog post and publishes it straight to your WordPress site. It looks like a human wrote and designed the whole thing. No copy-paste, no uploads, no image sourcing, just a link in a spreadsheet, and your site stays active and consistent. Step 2. You can use Shopify. The first tool you need is Make. Go to make.com using the link in the description. This is the tool that will automate the whole workflow. Click Get Started for free, then sign up using your Google account. There's no credit card required to start. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where you can create something called a scenario. That's Make.com's term for an automated workflow. Step 3. Import the automation blueprint. This is a pre-built automation template that connects all the tools for you. This saves you a ton of setup time. In the video description, you'll find the link to download that automation file. Click it and save the file to your computer. Back in Make, click Create a new scenario. Once that opens, you'll see this 3-dot icon. Click that, then choose Import Blueprint. Upload the file you just downloaded and hit Save. This loads the entire system into your account instantly. Step 4. Set up Google Sheets integration. Now let's connect the content source. You'll be using Google Sheets to store the article links that the system will process. Open a fresh Google Sheet. In cell A1, type blog URL. That's going to be the column where you paste news article links. Each row will be one blog post. Keep it clean. No extra columns or text, just links. Now you need to connect this sheet to make so it knows where to pull the data from. Go back to your scenario and click on the Google Sheets module. It'll ask you to log in with your Google account. Make sure to use the same one you used to create the sheet. Once it's connected, select the spreadsheet you just made and confirm that it's pulling data from column A, where your article links live. Step 5. Connect OpenAI. Next is the engine behind the writing. OpenAI. Head to OpenAI's platform and add some credits to your account. The minimum is $5. That gives you about 2 million tokens, which is more than enough for hundreds of articles. This isn't a monthly charge. You only pay for what you use, so it's super efficient if you're on a budget. After you've added credits, go to your account settings. You'll need 2 pieces of information: your API key and your organization ID. These are what make uses to talk to OpenAI. Now plug both of those into every ChatGPT module inside your Make scenario. There are a few of them, so make sure they all have the same key and organization ID so they can run correctly. This is what allows the automation to rewrite the article in clean, readable language that avoids plagiarism and sounds like a real person wrote it. Step 6. Link your WordPress website. If you already have a WordPress blog, great. If not, create one now. Use something like WebSpace Kit. It's fast and optimized for beginners. Once your WordPress site is live, go into the dashboard and install the Make Connector plugin. This plugin creates a secure channel between your site and Make. Once it's installed, open the plugin settings. You'll see two things you need: your website URL and a generated API key. These two go into the WordPress module back in Make. Just copy and paste them in. One tip here. Inside the module settings, you'll see an option to decide whether new posts should be published instantly or saved as drafts. If you want to double-check the output before it goes live, set it to Draft. That way, you can review and tweak posts as needed. Later, when you trust the flow, you can flip the switch to Auto-Publish. Step 7. Test the automation. Grab any news article, preferably something evergreen or niche-specific that fits your blog's category, and paste the link into the first row under Blog URL in your Google Sheet. Then go back to Make and click Run Once at the bottom of the scenario editor. This manually triggers the workflow. Watch the modules light up as the article gets processed, rewritten, with an image added, and sent to your blog. Go into your WordPress dashboard, then to Posts and All Posts. You should see a new post at the top. Click on it. It should be fully formatted, clean, and include a title, body, and image, all automatically generated. You can edit it if you need to, and then publish it. If it looks good, you're ready to scale things up. Step 8. Schedule automation. Start by adding more article links to your Google Sheet. You can paste in 5, 10, or even 50 links in one go. The system will pick them up and process them one by one. Now go back into Make and click the Schedule button. This is where you tell it how often to run. If you're just starting, try every 15 minutes or every hour. That way, it checks the sheet on a regular basis and posts whatever new content it finds. Once that's set, click Activate in the bottom left corner. That turns on the automation permanently. From here on out, all you have to do is keep feeding links into the sheet. The system handles the rest: writing, formatting, and publishing. Here are some quick tips for the best results. When you add links, use reputable news sources with clean, well-structured articles. Avoid cluttered or ad-heavy sites because those confuse the AI. Stick with evergreen content or niche news that won't be outdated next week. This helps your blog build long-term value. Also, don't spam low-quality articles. Quality in means quality out. Give the AI strong input, and it gives you stronger posts. This setup won't make you rich overnight, but it creates a foundation you can build on. You can start small with just a few posts a week, or you can go big and run an auto blog that updates itself every few hours. As traffic grows, you can add affiliate links, ads, or email opt-ins. With this system, you're not spending hours writing. You're not hiring anyone. You're just setting it up once and keeping it working in the background. The full tools list is in the description. Get the blueprint, set up your accounts, run the first post today. This is one of the cleanest ways to build online income using AI, even if you've never blogged before. What will your blog be about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.